Hey there, Netflix fans. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use a Netflix gift card in 2025. With streaming services evolving fast, using a gift card is a straightforward way to add funds to your account without hassle. Whether it's a birthday surprise or a self-treat, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you have your Netflix gift card ready. These cards are usually physical or digital codes you get from retailers or online. In 2025, Netflix has streamlined the process, so it's quicker than ever. Start by opening the Netflix website on your computer or the app on your phone or smart TV. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, look for the account section. On the website, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down. In the app, tap the menu icon and find Account or Redeem Gift Card. This might vary slightly based on your device, but it's usually easy to spot. Next, find the option that says Redeem Gift Card or Add a Gift Card. You'll be prompted to enter the code from your card. Carefully type in the 12-digit code, double-check for any letters or numbers you might miss. After entering it, hit Redeem or Submit. Netflix will process it instantly, and you'll see a confirmation message that the funds have been added to your account. If you're new to Netflix, this will help set up your subscription. Remember, gift cards can only be used for new subscriptions or to add to existing ones, so they won't work for payments already due. One quick tip. If the code doesn't work, ensure it's not expired and that you're redeeming it in the correct region. Netflix gift cards are region-specific in 2025. And there you have it. You're all set to binge your favorite shows with your new balance. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.